Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, all. Yes, till what we have discussed in the last class. Till what we have done. Yes, let me share the screen. Can you see the screen? So let us solve this question. The locus of a point which divides the line and segment joining. The locus of a point which divides the line segment joining the point 0, -1 and a point on the parabola x square is equal to 4y. Internally, the ratio 1:2 is dash. Okay, so this is what the question. Make it fast, everyone. Solve this. Done. Look at it. How can we solve this? The locus of a point which divides a line segment joining the point 0, 1, 0, -1, and the point on the parabola, this one. Parabola, this one. Internally, in the ratio 1:2 is what? Because there is a line segment. Let's say the PQ is a line segment which you have. Point P given 0, -1. Q, let us say alpha, beta, and midpoint, let's say R, H, K. I do not know. See, externally in the ratio 1:2, we have to find out the locus of a point which divides the line segment joining the point this one and the point on the parabola, this one internal in the ratio. Okay, so internal division here. Then what we have to do? R is what? Midpoint. Can I write? What is R here? Midpoint of PQ. R is the midpoint of PQ, which is nothing but 0 plus alpha by 2 is equal to alpha by 2. Okay. This is for what? This is H. This is for my H coordinate. What is for K coordinate? Minus 1 plus beta by 2, which gives me beta minus 1. Beta. So K value is what? I mean beta minus 1 plus beta value by 2. So what we need to find out here, basically, how can we find out the alpha value from this? Alpha values in the ratio 1 is to 2 given. So 1 is to 2 ratio. 1 is to 2 ratio. देखो, oh, yes, given 1 is to 2 ratio, internal division. So we have to say that 1 plus 2, divide m plus n, right? 1 plus 2, correct? So he has given the ratio to 1 plus 2. What is going to be alpha by 3 is equal to h. So from this alpha by 3 is equal to h. Then alpha is equal to 3h. Okay. So from this what I get? From this what I get? Now, so what is beta is going to be? Beta is going to be what? 3k plus 1. Am I correct? 3k plus 1 beta value. So here look at this. Q, I took what? Alpha comma beta. Ratio 1 is to 2. Dividing R in the ratio 1 is to 2. R is what? H comma K given. Right? Yes. So this is what I have here. Now I need what I need here. I got what? H comma K value, which means, I just found H comma K. So from that I got alpha and beta values. So which gives me what? Q alpha comma beta is equal to what? 3H comma 3K plus 1. 3H comma 3K plus 1. This is a point on the line segment. This is a point on the line segment. And what he has given, look at this. And one more point, a point on the parabola. The point which I got, this one, it is on the parabola, which is nothing but the parabola, the point whichever I got, that satisfy the parabola's equation. What is that? X square is equal to 4y. So what is x square here? 3h whole square is equal to 4 into 3k plus 1. Correct? So what is the 9h square is equal to 12k plus 4. So if I write in terms of x and y, 9x square minus 12y minus 4 is equal to 0. This is the answer. Which equation is satisfying here? It's plus 8. Here beta minus. Oh my goodness. I wrote here beta minus. Here beta minus 2 beta. Beta minus 1 minus beta, right? It will 2 minus beta. So beta minus 2. Then 2 minus beta means it will be plus 2 here. Okay. Here will be plus 2. If it is plus 2, then what is this one is going to be? Plus 2 here. Okay, internal division. He is talking about internal division, but the sectional formula I'm using here. So 3k plus 2, then what is the answer is going to be here? It is going to be 8. This is the answer. Am I correct? Am I correct? 9x square minus 12y, which can be written as what? 9x square, which can be written as 9x square 12y plus 8. This is the answer. This is the answer. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Perfect. Any doubt? Any doubt, children?
No, sir.
Understood. Internal division. I'm using internal division formula beta here. So he has given point P value. I do not know Q value. I took alpha comma beta, which is dividing in the ratio of 1 is to 2. R is my h comma k. For finding h comma k, what I have to do? I'm using internal division formula. So alpha beta I got from there. Alpha beta I got from there. So 3h comma 3k plus 2. This is what I got. This is what I got. So, and we know that this point is lying on the parabola. This point is on the parabola. Which parabola? This parabola. If any point on the parabola, it's nothing but that particular point passes through that parabola. X is this, Y is this. So I'm substituting there. I'm getting in terms of X, H and K. H and K is nothing but X and Y. Look at here. I'm substituting H as X, Y as K. I'm getting the final answer. Very simple. Hope it is clear. Any doubt? Children, any doubt? Hello, guys. Option B is the answer. Very good, Adesha. Now the area, this is a very good question. The area of an equilateral triangle, inscribed in the parabola, the the area of an equilateral triangle inscribed in the parabola, y square is equal to 8x, with one of its vertices on the vertex of this parabola is dash 64 root 3, option B 192 root 3, option C 128 root 3, option D 256 root 3. This is JEE 2020 question. Okay, so the area of an equilateral triangle inscribed in the parabola, this one, with one of its vertices on the vertex of this parabola is what? So the area of an equilateral triangle inscribed in the parabola, this one, with one of its vertices is on the vertex of this parabola. Look at this, one of the vertices. Basically, what he has given, this parabola, this is the parabola, y square is equal to 8x. Parabola is nothing but y square is equal to 8x parabola. What type of parabola is this? Positive x-axis parabola. I mean right-handed side parabola. Am I correct? This is the parabola which I have here. Okay, getting my point? So this is a parabola. He has given an equilateral triangle. Let's say that he has given that with one of his vertices on the vertex of the parabola. So one vertices is here. This is my vertex. Am I correct? One of its vertices on the vertex. So one vertices would be here. So and other vertices would be like this. Okay, this is an equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle is nothing but what is this angle is going to be now? 30 degrees. 30 and 30. Am I correct? Each angle would be 60, right? So this is my origin. Okay, and now if I take the parameters on the parabola, see guys, whenever you have this type of question, you take parametric coordinates. What are the parametric coordinates? Guys, did I give you table? I just gave you the table. In the table, if you observe there, the parametric coordinates are given as 2t square comma 4t, and b coordinate I'm taking it as 2t square comma minus 4t. I given in the table. If you open that, you will understand it. So whenever you want to take any coordinates on the parabola, take in a parametric form. A value I'm taking it as 2t square comma 4t, and b I'm taking it as 2t square comma minus 4t. These are the coordinates on the parabola. Okay, so now what is this point is going to be? One second, guys. What is this point is going to be? It is an equilateral triangle, right? This side would be always equal. Okay. So what is this point is going to be? Tell me, what is this distance? What is this distance, beta? Tell me 2t square, am I correct? Then what is this point is going to be 2t square comma 0? Yes or no, children? Y coordinate on the x-axis, y coordinate would be 0. So all the y values will be 0 on x-axis. So I took that as 2t square comma 0. Perfect. Now what we need to find out? We need to find out the area of an equilateral triangle. Area of an equilateral triangle. Okay. What is the area of the equilateral triangle? Half into base. What is the base? AB is my base. What is height here? What is height here? OP. This is a point. If I take any point, that is any point, OP, that is my area of the equilateral triangle. Am I correct? Okay. Now look at this here. Half into, what is AB? What is AB coordinates? Distance between A and B is what? Distance between A and B is what? X2 minus X1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square. So 40 plus 40 whole square. Am I correct? So plus, I mean into OP. So origin to P, what is this distance? Of course, 2d square. But what is the distance between 0, 0 to point called 2t square, 0? What is the distance between this O and P? 2t square, am I correct? Am I correct? Any doubts? 2t square. So area of the triangle is equal to half into, this is going to be 0 square plus 8t whole square into 4t square. Okay, 4t square. Or you write, this is not 4t square, 2t square only, not 4t square. Whatever. 2t, it's not 2t whole square, it is 2t square. I wrote 2. Look at this here. Now what it is going to be? Half into square root will get cancelled. So what would I left with now? I left with what? 80 into 2t square. 2 will get cancelled. What is the area of the triangle? 8t cube. Area of the triangle, I got 8t cube. How did I get that? Did you understand anything better? I took parametric coordinates. I found AB distance, OP distance. I found area of the triangle as 8t cube. Sir, then the options are not matching here. 8t cube. So if at all I know the t value, then how can I find out t value here? If I know the t value, I can find out my area easily. Then how can I find out my t value? Tell me. Can I find out t value? Look at this here from this. What is OA here? Origin to A. What is OA? This distance. What is OA? I mean slope of OA. Slope of OA. This gives me what? But a slope of OA. Can I just take tan theta? Why? Because I have an angle here. I have angle theta. So can I write that as slope of OA? Slope of OA is equal to what? Tan theta. What is slope of OA? What is the slope formula? When a line passes through 2 points, what is the slope formula? Y2 minus Y1 divided by X2 minus X1 is equal to tan theta. What was theta? 30 degrees. So 4t by 2t square is equal to tan 30 how much? Tan 30 how much? Tan 30 how much? 1 by root 3. Am I correct or not? So from this, can I find out t value? See, 1t will get cancelled. 2 ones, 2 twos. Okay. So 2 by t is equal to 1 by root 3. So what is the t value here? T is 2 times of root 3. So from this, now can I find out area of the triangle 8 into 2 root 3 whole cube, then 8 into 2 into 2 into रूट 3 इंटू रूट 3 आपको ऐसा नहीं समझ में आया तो ऐसा देख लो 8 इंटू 4 इंटू 3 वॉट रूट 3 इंटू रूट 3 3 so what is the answer now 8 4 32 32 into 3 32 into 3 how much sorry here two, 3 twos beta मैंने I wrote only 2 twos 2 cube right 8 into 2 into 2 into right so 8 is equal to 8 to 16 16 to 32 32 32 into 2 64 64 into 3 192 root 3 understood my point so area of the triangle is 192 root 3 is the answer any doubt people see basic formula of area of triangle is what half into base into height I used that from that I got 8t cube for finding t cube for finding t value what I did I just found slope of OA here sir why do we need to take OA only why can't we take OB better le lo OB also you take find out slope of OB equal to the tan theta why because you know आपके पास थीटा का वैल्यू तो मौजूद है ना you have you have theta ka value and you can use that particular value to find out slope of that particular OA. If you find slope of OA, what you get? You get T value there. How did you get an idea to use that? So I have angle as well as coordinates of O as well as coordinates of A. Getting my point? So tan theta is equal to OA. OA is nothing but what here? Origin to distance between origin to the point called A. So I got T value as 2 root 3 from there. So that particular T value I'm using to find out my area of the triangle given to you. Okay, people, any doubt? Any doubts? Make it fast. So answer B is correct here. Hello guys, any doubts? Any doubts? I'm asking you guys only. Any doubts? People, any doubts?
No, sir, no doubts.
Okay, what about Adyesha, Devanshika, Dhairya, Niyati? Niyati understood? Niyati, hello? Niyati, you understood or not? She okay. So now we'll talk about equation of tangent to the parabola. The concept is equation of tangent, equation of tangent to the parabola in different forms. Okay. Tell me here different forms are nothing but basically there are first let us go with first parametric form. In parametric form, in parametric form, basically you can find out, you can use any form to find out equation of the tangent, but as per the demand, as per the question demands, you have to use the condition. In parametric form beta, Look at this here. Parametric form, directly let me write the equation. Now, if you want proof, you can prove it. It's not a big deal. Ty is equal to x plus at square. This is my parametric form. Equation of the tangent in parametric form. Getting my point? Getting my point? Huh. Sir, for finding this, how can I find it out? I'll just give a hint. Beta, look at it. This is a parabola. Let's say that I'm taking this parabola. Okay, we have any point, something called a by m square, comma 2a by m, called points. Sir, how did I get this point? How did I get this point? Why you are taking that point only? So for getting that point, you have one more condition called look at it. So before getting into that, let me tell you slope of tangent. I mean, equation of the tangent in slope form. First, we'll discuss that. Then we'll come to this equation of. Just give a space to that equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent in slope form. Let me write in directly in slope form. In slope form. Okay. In slope form, I know that. Look at it here. Y is equal to mx plus c is my line. Okay. Okay, people are able to understand or not? Y is equal to mx plus c. See here my c is going to be, बेटा मेरा c का वैल्यू होता है y is equal to mx plus a by m. Okay, y is equal to mx plus a by m. This is my tangent equation in slope form. Now y is equal to mx minus a by m. So this tangent is for y square is equal to 4ax, and this is the tangent equation for y square is equal to minus 4ax. And if you want for some other tangent also, like it's a very negligible. You can just मैंने आपको I'm telling you which is useful for which is useful more, which is more useful to you. That is what I'm going to just tell you. This is the for x square is equal to 4ay, and this is x square is equal to minus 4ay. So these are the four different tangent equations of different parabolas. Basically, this we will not be using many times. We'll be using, this is a very important formula. This is a very important. So सबको याद होना चाहिए. ठीक है? Everyone should remember this tangent equation in slope form. Okay? Huh. So basically here, see here, sir, you're saying tangent equation in slope form. That is mean, what is the meaning of that? But this is my tangent. This is y square is equal to 4ax parabola. This is y is equal to mx plus c line. This is my tangent at point P called x1 comma y1. Let's say that. Okay. So this is a tangent equation. Tangent equation of this parabola in this slope form. This is slope form or not? Y is equal to mx plus c is a slope form of a straight line. So I'm using that. So from that I'm getting y is equal to mx plus a by m as my tangent equation of this parabola. Sir, how did you get that a by m? That is a big story. Again, we'll be finding that particular c value from the parabola and that line, whichever the line I have here, y is equal to mx plus c. Guys, you have you will get a c value. For getting c value, what you have to do here is y is equal to mx plus c, right? Substitute y value in this equation. देखो क्या करना है मुझे? mx plus c whole square is equal to mx plus c whole square, so 4a into x. ओके, इसको सिंप्लीफाई करता जाओ, आपको मिल जाएगा c का वैल्यू. हाउ यू गेट c वैल्यू हियर? हाउ डू यू गेट c वैल्यू? सो सर सिंप्लीफाई, like if you keep simplifying, would you get a c value? Not really. You will get when you are using a concept called, look at this, when you simplify this, you will get a quadratic form, you will get a quadratic equation. Of course, देखो इसको solve करेंगे तो मुझे quadratic equation मिलेगा ना. हाँ, so if you solve that, you will get a quadratic equation. And if you simplify this full expression, you will get some form in terms of quadratic equation. So from that, you will be taking discriminant. Sir, why do we need to take discriminant? Why? Because discriminant is nothing but what? Discriminant we use to define the nature of the roots. Am I correct? Now the line touching to the parabola, line can touch to the parabola like this way, and this way also, right? Anyway, a line can touch the parabola in different ways. देखो, this is a parabola and this, oh, एक minute people. So this, the line can touch the parabola in like this also, like this also, like this also. It can touch in any ways. Am I correct? Huh. Point parabola, getting touched by a tangent light at one point is nothing but what? Having one point. If I have this point, क्या होता है बेटा? This equal points. Can I say d is equal to 0 here? It touching at two distinct points. Two distinct point का मतलब क्या होता है? Roots. Distinct roots greater than 0. Nowhere it is not touching. So no real roots lesser than 0. Am I correct? Getting my point? Getting my point, people? So that I'm telling you the proof that is not at all required. आपको ये सब नहीं चाहिए actually. आपको, you can avoid this as well, but your required point is, this is what your required point. I'm telling you how we got that. We can't say, we can't talk simply how we got that everything, right? You can avoid that as well, but you can prove it as well. Okay, avoid is nothing but you can still prove that. You can still prove by using the method whichever I'm telling you. Guys, after simplifying this particular, after simplifying this, you will get a quadratic equation form. And from that quadratic equation form, take, if I just take a discriminant equal to 0, I'll get my C value. C value as what? मैंने C value इधर लिखा है ना, C value as A by M. I'm using the C value here as my A by M. That particular C value will get, so that I can write my tangent equation very simply. Getting my point? Getting my point, children? Yes or no? Clear, children? That is how I can get C value as A by M. I told you the proof. You can just simply derive that particular proof. Okay, people, are you able to understand now? Hello? Sir, you took a point called a by m square comma 2a by m point. आपको ये point कहाँ से मिला? Guys, if you want, you can write this slope form first, then you write parametric form. Yes, if you are writing parametric form, no problem. But for understanding that, you need if you understand slope form, then only it's very easy to understand parametric form somewhat. I thought of writing that first, but yeah, no problem. You can still write it anyway, however you want. Look at this, guys. So I'm writing a by m square comma 2a by m as my coordinates of the point of contact. Coordinates of point of contact. Okay, देखो बेटा, ये मेरा tangent हो गया. This is my tangent line. This is my tangent line. Am I correct? This is my tangent line. What are the coordinates of this point? A by m square comma 2a by m. 2a by m. Am I correct? So these are point. This is a point. Coordinates of point is a by m square comma 2a by m. Sir, how did you get that point? बेटा मैंने फिर से बताऊंगा देखो. I'll tell you again. This is what type of parabola is this? This is a parabola called y square is equal 4ax. This is a parabola called y square is equal 4ax. And we have a line. What is that line? What is the tangent equation? Y is equal to mx plus c. What was c here? A by m. ठीक है? Getting my point? Guys, look at this now. Take this y value and substitute here. You will get y value. You will get y value as 2a by, you will get, let me write here. Solve this so that you will get y value as 2a by m. If you know 2a by y value, you can find out x value from that as a by m square. So then your point is going to be what? A by m square comma 2a by m. Okay, people, this is how you can derive it. I'm not deriving it, which is really not required. But if you want, some student might be, they might be so concerning about the proof. Sir कैसे लिख रहा है ये सब, कहाँ से मिल रहा है सर को? They might be thinking like that. You can still prove that. But आपको ये सब नहीं चाहिए एग्जाम में. You need not to remember all these. कैसे solve करता है? बस आपको क्या याद रखना है? फॉर्मूला याद रखना है. वो कैसा, हाँ उसका, like you can, if you even you forget the formula, you must be in a position to derive it and write that. Okay, so that is the reason I'm just teaching you why we got that p value as a by m square comma 2a by m, and why we are writing the tangent equation in slope form called y is equal to mx plus a by m. Okay, people, what is the tangent equation in slope form now? Daria, what is the tangent equation in slope form? This is my tangent equation in a slope form. This is a tangent equation in slope form. And look at this. This is my parametric form. Parametric form. Let me write parametric form now. Let me tell you the parametric form. What is the slope of the, I mean, equation of the tangent in parametric form? Let me tell you. So therefore, equation of the tangent parametric form is is ty is equal x plus 8 square. This is a parametric. Okay, getting my point, children? So how do you get that? How do you get that? How do you get that? Similarly, look at this. We आपको पता है. How do we, sir? How you are saying that parametric form is ty is equal to x plus 80 x plus 80 square. Guys, आपको point पता है ना? You know this point. Where is that? You know this point. आपको ये point पता है. You know. And you know in parametric form, you know one more point. What is that? 2t square मैंने बताया था आपको. देखो question में 2t square comma 4t. So from these 2 points, you can compare the things. You will get slope value. Slope value as 1 by t. 1 by t. If you compare both the things, so you will get m value as 1 by t. What you need here? You need what? Tangent equation in what? Parametric form. So for that we know tangent equation in slope form, right? Y is equal to mx by am. So y is equal to m value is what here? 1 by 2 into x plus a by m. ठीक है बेटा? So from this you will get tangent equation like this. But if you need proof बेटा, you can still prove like that, but it is not required. आपको ये सब नहीं चाहिए. ठीक है? I'm telling you, you still can prove. If you want to prove, if you are really patient to prove, you can just prove it. I don't want to teach all the proofs and confuse you, but because which is not really required. आपको याद होना चाहिए बस. मैं जो भी हाईलाइट कर रहा हूँ इधर देखो, whatever I'm just highlighting here, that is very important for you all. देखो मैं येलो बॉक्स में जो भी हाईलाइट कर रहा हूँ वो इंपॉर्टेंट है. ठीक है? Here मैंने ग्रीन बॉक्स में हाईलाइट किया है दिस वन. This yellow box में जो भी highlight कर रहा हूँ, that is very important. Okay people, whatever you just whatever I highlighted in yellow box, that is very important. That is देखो आपको slope form का tangent equation ये होता है and parametric form का tangent equation ये होता है. बस ये दोनों याद रखना चाहिए. ठीक है? Next, what is the slope of the tangent in point form? In point form. In point form बेटा, point form is only what? थिंग पॉइंट फॉर्म नथिंग बट एक पॉइंट होता है. देखो नथिंग बट क्या होगा कि मैं एक पैराबोला, आई हैव अ पैराबोला. दिस इज माय स्लोप ऑफ, आई मीन दिस इज टेंजेंट and this tangent touching the parabola at x comma y. So okay, so what type of parabola is this? What type of parabola is this? What type of parabola is this? Y square is equal to 4ax parabola. Okay. What is the point form? How can you derive this? Y minus y1. I mean, for finding the slope of the tangent in point form, you can use this formula, x minus x1. Okay. Okay, so from this, what is m value? How do you find out m value? But you just find dy by dx at x1 comma y1 is my slope value. How? Sir, dy by dx से क्या मतलब है बेटा? Derivative of the given function is nothing but m value. Derivative of the function is nothing but derivative of this nothing, derivative of the y function. देखो dy by dx at any point to a curve is nothing but slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent I'm denoting with what? mt. But understanding, are you guys able to understand? Guys, मैंने at last I'm telling you what is required for you and what is not required for you. ठीक है? आपको वो याद रखना चाहिए बस. दिस इज, ये मैं जो भी इतना पढ़ा रहा हूँ, it is not at all आपको required, but any, but at last you shouldn't say that I didn't teach the proof. You must be in a position to teach. You must be in a position to what derive the formulas again. So that is the reason. Okay, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So this is the point. What is m here? What is m here? If you just differentiate the given curve, you will get m value as 2a by y. This is my slope of the tangent. Okay, it is passing through x1 comma y1. So हमारा slope भी क्या हो जाएगा? 2a by y1. It is passing through 2, I mean x1 comma y1. So my slope is going to be 2a by y1. ठीक है people. So now substitute here y minus y1 is equal to 2a by y1 into x minus x1. If you keep solving this, but I keep solving this, simplifying this, आपको within 2 to 3 steps, this is your answer is going to be. This is your answer is going to be. Okay, this is a tangent equation in point form. This is a tangent equation in point form. Clear? Okay, children, any doubts here? Any doubts? Any doubts? People, any doubts? See what we learned here: equation of the tangent in parametric form and tangent slope form and point form. So whatever we have learned so far, मैंने आपको just 3 point पे लिखता हूँ, ठीक है? Note: equation of the tangent, summarization. This is what called as summarization. I'm summarizing you here. Equation of the tangent, whatever we have learned. Let me give you in 3 points, 3 bullets. Equation of the tangent in different forms. Different forms we have learned. What are they? What is it? First, we have learned in slope form. In slope form, what was that? Y is equal to mx plus a by m. बस आपको ये याद रखना है बस, ठीक है? At what? At x1 comma y1 point. Next, in parametric form. In parametric form. What was that? What was that? Y or ty, you say ty is equal to x plus 8 square. Okay, this is my parametric form tangent equation. Next, point form. Point form mein what is my tangent equation is going to be? Similarly, just now I wrote 2y1 is equal to a times of x plus x1. This is what आपको very important. This is very important. This is what you need to remember. ठीक है? अब मैंने जो भी बताया, like it is not required for you, but I'm telling you how can you prove all those things. Okay. Okay. Next, similarly, beta. Similarly, equation of the normal. See, equation of the tangent. This is parabola. If I draw a line, this is tangent. If I draw perpendicular to that particular tangent, what is that can be called as? What exactly that can be called as? Tell me. Children, I'm drawing a line to a parabola. Look at this is my parabola. If I draw a line to the parabola like this at P of x1 comma y1, this is my tangent. If at all I'm drawing a line to that perpendicularly, that can be called as what? Tell me. This is my tangent. What is this perpendicular line, beta? Tell me. Hello. That is normal. Yes or no? We learned in circle, beta. This is circle, tangent, normal. Yes or no? Normal always passes through the center. Haven't we learned that? People, yes or no? Learned or not? Hello? Children, are you able to understand or not? Tell me. Hello? Equation of the normal in different forms. See, equation of the tangent we learned in different forms. Now equation of the normal in different forms. See, I'll give you simple. I don't want to prove all that. I'll just tell you. Let me tell you the simple things here. Okay. You want me to give direct formulas, or like first questions, then we'll go for that. Okay. ठीक है, देखो equation of the tangent. First in parametric form. Parametric form is nothing but somewhere we'll be including theta value, t value, something like that. Okay. Equation of the tangent, I mean equation of the normal in parametric form is what? Look at this equation of the tangent in parametric form. Same thing. Ty is equal to x plus 8 square. Okay. Equation of the tangent in parametric form is this one. So from this I can find out equation of the normal in parametric form. Tangent say you can find out normal very easily. That is y is plus tx is equal to 80 plus 80 cube. This is my equation of the normal in parametric form. Sir, how did you get this? फिर से बता रहा हूँ. If you know the tangent equation, you can just derive it very easily. ठीक है? Getting my point? हाँ. In normal form, in slope form means somewhere I'll be including m value, m. So y minus 2a by m is equal to minus 1 by m. In fact, x minus m square. This is my what? What is this? This is my slope form normal equation. ठीक है बेटा? Any doubts? Any doubts here? Any doubts, children? So yes, you should remember this. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बेटा. ये आपको याद होगा तो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस इजी में से लाइक उठ जाएंगे. शॉर्टकट्स. दिस इज अ बेसिक शॉर्टकट टू रिमेंबर फॉर सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चंस related to equation of tangent and equation of normal to a parabola called y square is equal to 4ax. समझ में आ रहा है बेटा? पीपल, दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. मैंने जो भी लिखा हुआ इधर वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ठीक है. Now we'll solve the questions. We'll see the questions related to the equation of the tangent and the equation of the normal as well. Okay. Everyone write the question. Question is find the equation. Find the equation of the tangent. Find the equation of the tangent of parabola y square is equal to 4x at point p called 1 comma 2 is dash. देखो दिस अ क्वेश्चन. देखो y x is equal to y plus 1, x is equal to y minus 1, c is equal to y is equal to x plus 1, d is equal to y is equal to x minus 1. This is a equation of the tangent. He is asking us to find is equation of the tangent on this parabola at this point. हाँ देखो बेटा, how can you solve this question? What is the parabola given here? Y square is equal to 4x. Okay, this is a, guys, he is asking us to find the equation of the tangent of this parabola in point form. He has given point. So equation of the tangent of the parabola in point form is what? Look at this. Y is equal to y into y1 is equal to a into x plus x1. That's it. They go substitute that. We know that equation of the tangent to a parabola in point form is y1 is equal to a times of x plus x1. So y into y1. What is y1 here? Point given. This is my, and point given that x1 comma y1 has 1 comma 2. X1 is what? When y1 is what? 2. 2 into a. What is a here? What is the value of a? Tell me. But if I compare this parabola with y square is equal to 4ax. If I compare this parabola with 4ax, what is a value? Tell me. What is a value? 4a is equal to 4. So a value is what? 1. Correct. So substitute a value here. 1 x plus x1. What is x1? 2. I mean 1. So 2 times of y, 2 times of x plus 2. So 2 cancel. Like 2. If I take common, it will be getting cancelled. What is my equation is going to be now? X is equal to y minus 1. X is equal to y minus 1. Option B is correct. Any doubts? Any doubts? People, how I wrote here. देखो बेटा आपको ये ऐसा नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो मैंने बहुत देखो 2y minus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. 2 common. Y minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Y minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. From this I can write y is equal to okay, this is what the answer is going to be of this given question. Any doubts? People, any doubts? Make it fast. Adesha, Devanshika, Dhairya, Niyati, Shrikar. Any doubts? Tell me. Hello.
No, sir.
So Dhairya, can you please tell me what we have learned so far? I mean, what we are talking about in the class. Basically, what we learned. Just this is what we learned. मैंने जिस screen पे जो भी दिखा रहा हूँ अभी, that is what we learned. I was trying you to prove how we got a slope form, parametric form, point form. ये सब कैसा आया? ठीक है, which is not at all required. Completely you can avoid that. बट आपको याद होना चाहिए फॉर्मूलाज. बट यू शुड नो द स्टोरी. कहानी क्या होता है उसके पीछे कहानी क्या था मैंने बता दिया आपको. यू कैन जस्ट स्टिल प्रूव दैट. ओके पीपल, एनी डाउट्स? एनी डाउट्स? एनी डाउट्स चिल्ड्रन? हेलो guys, everything given? Sir, can we use all the forms to find out the equation of the tangent? Yes, of course. You can use any form here. You can use any form to find out the tangent equation. You can use any form from these forms, and you can use any form to find out normal equation as well. From these or among these three forms, you can still use any form to find out tangent equation. Okay. But sir, why you used this formula only? Why do you use that? Why did you use that? Beta मेरे पास point form. He given the point form. Why? Because if he is giving anywhere slope, I would have used this. He's talking about point, then after definitely I'll be using this form. Am I correct? Yes or no children? मेरे पास point है, point है, and मेरे पास point form का like formula है. तो can't I use point form and just derive the tangent equation? Get the tangent equation? Of course yes. So this is how we can just solve it, guys. I think I have given a worksheet to you if I'm not wrong. Am I correct? Children, did I give you a worksheet to you or not? Adesha, are you here? Hello? You are in mute, Adesha. Adesha, you are in mute actually. I can't hear you. Can you hear me? Okay, it seems that mic is not working. Okay, Niyati, Devanshika, Shrikar, Dharya, understood beta?
Yes, sir.
Who doubt? Who doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you guys. You can leave the session now. We'll meet in the next session. Please do solve your worksheet problems. Thank you.